Let's go to page 789. Start with number 1. You want to evaluate the determinant. So 3, 4, 1, 3. Okay, so this again, what you do is do the diagonal. So go diagonal this way. So it's equal to 9 minus. Remember, the opposite direction minus, right? 4, and so equal to 5. Okay. Okay, number 3. You have the 5, 3, negative 3, 1. Okay, so again, go and do the diagonal. So this will equal to 5, right? 5 times 1 is 5, minus, and you go opposite direction. And so this would be negative. So keep track of your negatives. Okay, so this would be negative 9. Okay, and so this will equal to 14. Okay, number 5. You got 0, negative 4, 8, 0. Okay, so go diagonal this way. So they equal to 0 minus. Okay, this way would be negative 32. Again, so whenever going this way, it's minus. Okay, and negative 4 times 8 is negative 32. So keep track of your negatives, and so they equal to 32. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 7. You got 2, 0, negative 5. And then you got negative 5, 8, 4. Then you got 3, 1, 0. Okay, so first you want to do is copy 2 more columns. Right? Copy the first column, so it would be 2, 0, negative 5. And this one would be negative 5, 8, 4. Okay, so now let's go and do the diagonals. Okay, so again, you might want to use a pen to write it down and use the pencil to do the diagonals. That way, after that, you can erase. Okay, so multiply. So whenever you see a 0, it's going to be a 0, right? And it's plus. Multiplied will give you 25, right? Negative 5 times negative 5 give you 25 times 1 is 25. Plus 0, right? This is 0, right? Okay, so once we've done the positive diagonal, okay, I'm going to erase. Okay, and I'm going to go the opposite direction. Okay, and this direction is going to be all minus. Okay, so again, right away, write down minus, and you multiply. As soon as you see a 0, it's going to be a 0, right? Minus. This one would be 8 minus. There's a negative over here, so it would be negative 120. Okay, so let's get rid of 0. So this got 25 minus 8 plus 120. Okay, and so this will equal to 137. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 9. You got 12, 0, negative 9, negative 9, 0, 2. Then you got 13, 8, 1. Okay, so you can copy the first 2 columns. So you got 12, 0, negative 9. Second column, negative 9, 0, 2. Okay, so let's go and do the diagonals. Okay, so this is equal to, so the first diagonal equal to 0, because as anything times 0, it's going to give you 0, right? Plus, okay, so this number is kind of big. Okay. Let me double check my copying. Okay. Okay, so 648 plus 0. Okay, so done with the positive column. Let's go this way. So minus. Okay, we have to get the 3 diagonals. Okay, as soon as you see a 0, it's going to be a 0 minus. Okay, this one, let's go and multiply out. So 2 times 8, so 2 times 8 times 12, okay, 192, and minus, okay, again, as soon as you see 0, it's going to be 0. Okay, so make sure you show all your work. Write down your steps, and then you can go and use your calculator to work it out. Okay, so you got 648 minus 192 equal, okay, 648 minus 192 equal, okay, 456. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, 500, 0, negative 6, 0, 0, 0, 2. Okay, so you can copy the 2 columns. By the way, when the major diagonal is the only one with a number, all the other one is 0, the answer will be just multiplying these. So for this kind of problem, again, if only the major diagonal are non-zeros, then the answer will be just the multiplication of these. So you can just go and multiply, so it give you negative 60. Okay, that will be the answer. But if you don't remember that, that's okay. You just go and follow through with your steps. Okay. Got a little bit sloppy. Okay, let's do a better job. Okay. Okay, so this could equal to negative 60 plus 0 plus 0 minus. Okay, so you go to opposite diagonals. So you go this way, this way, this way. So it'll be minus, so we got 0, so minus 0, minus 0. So answer will be just negative 60. Okay? Okay, so again, when only the major diagonal, so this is called a major diagonal. This one over here. So if only the major diagonal is non-zero, everything else is 0, the answer will be just the answer will be just this one here. Okay, so all you have to do is do this one. Okay, multiply this and that's your answer, because everything else is going to equal to 0.